Mike. You know I'm fresh. I'm not gonna rap. Hey man, first of all, it was an honor to be on stage right here with these people right here. I have much respect for that.
Yeah, respect for you too, brother.
March, I have an aunt that I lost to cancer. So seeing you is definite show that someone like that can do it. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. Right? Yo, by the way, Aka, the energy up in here is wonderful. I love it. Man,
Thank you,
you know,
Aka.
LA, New York, US can learn a lot from you guys.
Yes.
Because over there they bicker and beef too much about who's the best, who's this, who's that. I'm down for all styles.
Yes.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P style. I don't care what it is. So don't buy into that. It's nonsense. Keep it like love like this, because we can learn from y'all. I'm learning. It's too small of a world. The dance world is small in comparison to the rap world, the beat making world, the comedy, the acting world. The dance world is too small for us to be angry at each other and hating each other. We got to come together and work together. There's enough money, there's enough love, there's enough everything for all of us, man. That's all I'm going to say. More love. Thank you, Taiwan. I want to move here. Can I move here? Can I bring my wife and kids and my 2 dogs here? Super knees, Taiwanese. I'm going to give you super knees.